Are you feeling lost as a composer and don't really know what next steps to take if you want to improve on your composition skills? Well, then this video today is for you. I'm Frank. I'm a pro composer from Vienna, Austria, and I've helped over 120 composers already to create better and more unique music. And today I want to talk you through 3 steps so that you can be a better composer. And to be clear, I first want to frame that the goal actually to be a better composer is a really bad goal because it's not specific, right? So be specific, like I want to learn more about voice leading. I want to write better chord progressions. I want to have more original ideas. And this will lead you to becoming a better composer. But don't set a goal like I want to become a better composer. This won't serve you well. So let's jump right into the content. Step number 1. You don't need endless information. You just need enough to take action. And that's the first trap that a lot of guys fall into, and they get stuck in just watching one video after another and after another. And they gather so much information that in the end, they don't even know where to start. Let's not do this. Let's just pick enough information for you so that you can move forward as quickly as possible to the next step. In case you wonder if there was a holy grail in this whole journey of becoming better, yes, I think there is a holy grail. It's not in this phase though. It's not the information phase. It is the application phase, which is the second step. And this step is really like a workout in the fitness area. So you want to train your musical muscles. You want to get down some reps so that they get used to doing the work for you. The key idea here is that the more you write and experiment, the better you will get. And that is crucial. So you want to focus on the outcomes, like regular practice. And this practice only comes by doing. And also, if you don't know what to do, I will present some of my favorite writing exercises over the next few weeks so that I can even help you with this step and show you some specific things that you can take action on. And one thing to mention, you have to stay motivated, since that will be the differentiating factor that some guys will become creative monsters like the Schwarzeneggers of music composition, and some others stay generic in their writing. And the question is, on which side do you want to stand? Step into the application phase as quickly as possible. Step number 3, that's the feedback. Now, when you're starting out, probably external feedback is the most crucial thing that you can get to speed up your progress. Later on, as you proceed, you will be able to self-correct your work since you can base it on your experience and a lot of writing exercises that you already did. But in the beginning, at first, trusted feedback is key to understanding whether or not you did something correctly and applied a concept correctly. I truly believe that you can figure things out on your own, but it will take you way longer to get to the proper results. So if you want to move quickly, seek out trusted feedback, and that's going to serve you well. And here's a bonus tip to making this whole thing work. Just focus on one technique at a time. And that's a wonderful strategy, because if you focus on improving on all the various elements that you can think of, I guarantee that you won't make progress at all. Just focus on maybe better line writing. Then focus on how to write an introduction to a piece or a transition between 2 sections. Then focus on, well, how can I improve on my chords so that they become more colorful? And how can I use some of the extensions to replace some of my basic triads? And how do I voice lead them? Now, these are all steps to becoming a better composer, but you have to focus on just one thing at a time. And that's going to bring you to your goal most quickly and efficiently. The whole process, for you to recap, is first gather information and keep it to a level that you have enough to take action on it and to apply it, which is the second step already. You want to get into the writing part. You want to make your hands dirty a little bit. And that's also the fun part. Now, the writing also will tickle out all the problems and the weak spots that you should focus on in some future steps. You will never reveal those steps if you don't get into the writing part. So you want to do it better sooner than later. And then finally, stack your skills on top, step by step. And this is really like solving a puzzle. You just grab one puzzle piece at a time. You want to look at the big picture. You want to figure out where this one puzzle piece fits. And then once you've solved this problem, you pick the next puzzle piece. And in the end, you will have solved the puzzle. But you can't just look at all the pieces and try to make sense of it. It's not possible. What do you need help with? Please let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to provide some writing assignments to you so that you can make quick progress and improve. So that was Frank. I hope that this video is helpful. I hope that you will make progress, and I count on you to bring better music to this world. See you in the next video. Bye.